From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of boring alarm clocks that just don't get you pumped up for the day? Well, I've got a game changer for you, the hypercar alarm clock. This thing is a real head-turner, with its sleek blue sports car design that's so realistic you'll feel like you're revving up your engine every morning. The hypercar alarm clock features a unique LED digital display on the front grille, showing the time in crisp, clear numbers that you can see from across the room. But that's not all, it also comes with special light effects, including illuminated exhaust simulation that creates a realistic blue glow, and a mist vapor effect that adds an extra layer of visual appeal. The dynamic LED lighting effects are truly mesmerizing, and the textured surface of the clock gives it a premium feel. When you set the alarm, the clock emits a loud, rumbling sound that simulates the roar of a sports car engine, guaranteed to get your heart racing and kickstart your day. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear that it's a well-reviewed and popular choice among car enthusiasts and anyone looking for a unique alarm clock. The hypercar alarm clock is not just a time-telling device, it's a decorative piece that adds personality to your desk, nightstand, or office space, and its modern design makes it a perfect fit for any room. Whether you're a car enthusiast, a racing fan, or just someone who appreciates innovative design, this alarm clock is a must-have. It's also a great gift idea for anyone who loves cars, and its multifunctional design makes it a practical and fun addition to any room. So why settle for a boring alarm clock when you can have a hypercar alarm clock that will get you excited for the day ahead? Give it a try and experience the thrill of waking up to a sports car every morning. With its combination of style, functionality, and fun, the hypercar alarm is always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.